Welcome back, guys, to another video. Finally got some parts for the Mazdaspeed3. The old exhaust is already out, 28 pounds, so I should be saving about 20 pounds or so. But also got a blow-off valve. This is 50% vented back into the car, 50% vented back to the atmosphere. Much nicer, much cleaner. That will be going on the left side, single exhaust only. I like it better. I'm not a big fan of two exhausts. For some reason, I just like it much better the way it sounds with one single and one style exhaust. It is a short style. This exhaust is going to be on the left side. It's going to be placed somewhere right about here, so it should give me a somewhat, you know, a nice, maybe a little bit angled out, as long as it can be get, you know, away from this. I had to cut this off. I don't know if you could tell because it was sticking out like this, so that doesn't give me enough room to work with. So we're gonna try this, see how it sounds. The muffler tip is 4-inch, which I think works for this setup, and the inlet is 3 inches. Now, because the stock exhaust is 2.5 inches, it's gonna have to be stretched out quite a bit. And I do have a welder, but I don't have the other equipment to stretch it out, and it's just much quicker on the muffler shop. A few hours back, the exhaust is now on the Mazda. I have it inside because it is raining, but I'm gonna be working on the blow-off valve. I just want to show you guys this angle really quick. See this angle? Perfectly angled, just like I wanted it to be, slightly, not too much. It does have a flange system similar to the stock, so all I have to do is just remove the 2 bolts and then the hanger, and it's easy to replace it and put it back onto stock. It doesn't sound the same like it would be in person because my camera can't capture the lows too well on this setup. If I have a mic, it would sound much better. You can hear the low of the sound note, but it is much more louder and it does have much more tone. So I'm really happy with it. But again, the rest of the car is stock as far as the resignators and the catalytic converter. So there's only so much really you're gonna get out of it. Before I put this new blow-off valve on, I wanted to explain that it comes with this like screw cap, which is cool because in case I want to go 100%, you know, completely what they call vented to the atmosphere, I just screw this on, and then it's, you know, it's gonna be louder, and I just, you know, torque that in, and it's ready to go. But if I wanted to do the opposite and recirculate 100% to the intake, I just put it on this side. See that? I screw that on, and then once I do that, and then I would go ahead and put this that goes to the hose and screw that on there. So it has options, but if I just go normal, then it's a 50-50. So low revs, nothing much. Now let's go for the wow. Woo! Oh, we already now so much better. What a difference. 50 bucks, guys. 50 bucks. I also forgot to mention on the top knob, clockwise would harden, counterclockwise would soften the spring weight in case you wanted to play around with the sounds. Overall, I'm super happy with the blow-off valve and the exhaust. It just made the car that much better. I want to drive it, but it just rained and I have like no traction with these tires, so I'm not trying to crash today. But I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.